Guys, I took on the craziest challenge yet, reviving a flooded GT3RS. This beast had been underwater for days. The interior was trashed, the engine was filled with water, and the whole car smelled like a swamp. From draining chocolate milk oil to replacing nearly every part, including the engine, it was a total nightmare. Finding rare parts? Even harder. But after weeks of work, the moment of truth came. I turned the key, and boom, the engine roared to life. Bringing this GT3RS back from the dead taught me one thing: never give up. Hit subscribe. For more wild restorations, you won't want to miss what's next. Would you like me to tweak it further?